Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I made this channel just for curly hair videos, and I don't think I've made one in such a long time. But I like to do cleaning hacks, and I found a new one, but I put a little something different with it. I don't know if you've ever seen people do this cleaning hack, but I put something even better with it to clean it even better. If you have these Rubbermaid bowls, whatever brand they may be, this right here is nasty. Not nasty in the fact of being really bad, but I put my dog's chicken in there, and when I make my dog's chicken, I put a little tiny bit of bouillon, and the chicken fat stays in the juice, and I also put turmeric in there. Now, you all know that turmeric stains. It stains to everything. And it's pretty much stained into this bowl. So I'm going to show you a hack that I learned, and then I put something different with it that makes it even better. Okay, so let me turn my camera around and show you what I do. Okay, you guys, so here is the bowl. The one thing that the people do is, if I can get it off here. You guys don't mind my kitchen. It's a mess. Okay. Is a piece of paper towel. You just lay it in the bowl. Now, I rinsed the bowl out, and it got everything out that it could. And I don't think it matters what kind of soap you use, but I like the Blue Dawn with the duckies on the front. Not that it matters if there's duckies on it, but as long as it's the Blue Dawn. It's the best one out there. And you put about that much soap on there. Okay, what other people aren't doing that I like to do is white distilled vinegar. And I will tell you why. White distilled vinegar is an odor. It gets rid of odors. So I'm going to put just a little bit in there. And the rest hot water. Now, you don't want to fill the bowl up all the way. You want to fill it till it's almost halfway. About there. Okay, now you're going to take your handy dandy lid, and you are going to place it on top of the bowl. And you want to make sure it is sealed. Okay, it's sealed. And then shake it for about 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, so let's take this lid off. All the oils on the lid are gone. And here's the paper towel. Just to set that to the side. We don't want it to go down the drain. And I'm going to pour that down the drain. Now let's rinse this bowl. I almost got water on my phone here. And let's just rinse it. And it's clean. It still has a little tiny bit of oil there. You can do it twice. Just put the paper towel back in and shake it. But that gets really, it got all of the stains of the turmeric out of the bowl, you guys. This bowl is clean. It's just a little oily from the chicken fat when I make their chicken. So I'm just going to put the paper towel back in, and I'm going to repeat the process one more time. So, yes, this hack works. So if you guys enjoyed this hack, let me know. And if you want any other cleaning hacks, provide them down below. I'm always cleaning my house, and I'm always finding new inventions or new ways of cleaning easier for me because of my lupus. When I clean my bathroom, you guys have seen that video. I try to do shortcuts as possible and do it as fast as possible with it actually being clean. So you guys, that is how you clean a Rubbermaid dish that is stained and has a lot of grease in it. So you guys, please give it a thumbs up. Please share so all your friends and family can see this. and leave any comments. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified of any videos that I post in the near future. Thank you. Bye.